I'm gonna do this video because a lot of people know my sister and she has passed. I'm gonna give her now a little details on her death. I'm gonna do the video. I'm gonna ask nobody if I should, but my sister Pamela is not just a sister to me. She's my friend. She's my friend, and I not even know where to start. My sister been sick in and out the hospital, back and forth, and them never tell her say she have cancer. Every time she do this a test, that the test, they never tell her say she have cancer. If somebody have liver cancer, she have liver cancer. And I think less than 3 months now, the doctor them diagnosed her with liver cancer. People don't talk about these things because they don't want to put them business out there and them afraid people judge them. But listen, if anybody know me, I was that kind of person who never share things, who don't talk, who don't communicate. And I feel like it's time for we to stop believe and think about what people said. Because with my sister illness, if me talk about it, it maybe help one person. And I think the world need to start think how to help each other. And sometimes lack of communication is what make the world like this. Sometimes people say, oh, you talk too much, you shouldn't do this. No, talk can't too much. God give you wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. And if that can help somebody, help them by communicating. If you don't talk, you don't know. You know what I mean? You cover up every single thing when you never know that that can actually help somebody. So many people dying of cancer, right? My sister been sick in and out, going to the hospital, still don't know. They must say she have stomach problem. What is stomach problem? What caused the stomach problem? No, nothing. Jamaica is one of the worst places to get sick. Is one of. I'm not gonna say it's the worst, but it's one of. You can't sick and in and out of hospital and them don't know say you have cancer. My sister been sick for over years. She do test here, do test there, nothing. She have stomach problem. That's it. Me I hear what caused the stomach problem. Right? All along me I say Ulster, sister, stop eat this, stop eat that, don't eat no oil, don't eat this, cut off of the meat, cut off of this every day, 3-4 times sometimes me talk to her. Don't eat this. What you eat for your dinner? What you eat for this? What you eat for that? That time she has liver cancer. And nobody no know. And she go a doctor. Doctor charge her $30,000 for do this test, yeah. $20,000 for do this test, yeah. $60,000 for do this test, yeah. And this whole heap of test. And at the same time, you know, I tell the woman say she have cancer. That no make no sense to me. From yesterday, me hear say my sister died. And I want to do this because from me hear me in bed yesterday. Me don't even brush my teeth from yesterday. Me not eat from yesterday. Me no bathe. Me bathe yesterday morning. Me no bathe last night. That's how weak me feel. And me just express myself. Me just express myself right now. Because people need to express. And if anybody know, they know me as not a person growing up used to express myself. But now, me I express myself. And we think so if we change that. My sister sick here, dear. Nobody no know what happened to her. She just faint sometime. And to be honest, The same thing used to happen to my mother, just faint. She just faint out of nowhere. My mother died from heart failure. Now my sister died from liver cancer. My sister just 50. What is happening? What is it? It's scary. Oh God, a lot of people are coming and say them I couldn't take them call. I'm sorry about that. I'm just weak and I just couldn't take the talking. Now me I do this video for everybody who care for my sister, who be there for my sister, who love her, who was there, even the ones them that didn't know and just I know. I appreciate and I love her and the support. Everyone I know. I just couldn't talk yesterday. The amount of phone call, me weak, me not have the energy. You know, my sister, since she find out, look at maybe over 2 months ago, she turned to me and she said, sister, me I ask if you take care of my girls, them for me. That she said. And remember, we will always love you. Me and my sister close. We were very, very close. And if you look by my bed right now, it pack. If you go down to Jamaica on a one-way ticket. Lotion, toothpaste, soap, everything that on my bed if you go down to Jamaica. Me say, maybe not put it off because I have so much going on here. And this time I say, now that my son come, he will take care of things to me. I am going on a one-way ticket and I don't know when I come back. Me did want to spend at least a month with my sister. That was my plan. Everything that on my bed for go down, just put in the suitcase. And I looked ticket the night before she died. She died Thursday. Wednesday night, with the pan cheapo here, Expedia, all of them I look ticket. And I see ticket for good price. I'm always going to buy it. If we go down Monday, and yesterday she died. Yesterday, my sister gone. Oh God. I have to just take them deep breath there. Because if me not take them, when me here yesterday, me froze. My brassiere get tight. It's like my chest start grow. I have to pull my brassiere right away because I feel like my breath are going to stop. Yeah, me know so she's sick. But my hopes was for her to get better because me believe so she was going better. And when me talk to her, me used to call my sister sometime 3, 4, 5 times a day. Make sure what you eat. Don't eat no grease. Don't eat no this. Don't eat no that. And for the past week and a half, and now I get her on her phone. Me have to talk to her daughter in her phone. God bless her. God bless her soul. Tia, me appreciate you. Me love you. Me love you. You are a daughter which she never have. My sister said to me, look after my girls, them for me. And she said that to me maybe about 7 weeks ago. And I said, my sister, why you sound like you are give up? Why? Why you sound so like you are give up? She said, no, me not give up, but me just I tell you to take care of them for me. That is what she said, me but she did. And I said, that day and night me ball for that. You don't call me crazy, but me look crazy, but that's okay. Me not always look so. Day and night, because of that, what she takes by my phone. Me ball day in, day out. But me not make she know say me a ball. me's a strong person. And she turned to me and me say, you are gonna recover. You are gonna get over this. And she tell me already, so she wish her faith was strong as mine. And me said, don't say that. Don't say it. No say that. Cause it negative. No say it. Your faith strong. Claim it. To say yes, but my one stronger. God have mercy. But for everybody who reach out to me just say me I do that video for you now. So anyhow, you not hear me, just in a me zone. In a me zone. Me don't want to come see her when she dead. And me don't want to see her. Me never look at my mother when my mother died. Because I know someone want to remember them. Me don't want to go on my bed and remember them like that. I want to remember them when they was perky. So no forgive me if me tell her say me don't want to see her looking like that when she died. No one see it. Okay? I know you call me, video call me for see her yesterday. Me no want to see it. And because she gone already. If she was alive, fine. And she sick, fine. But she died now, me no want to see her when she died. So that's my reason. So for everybody who call me, see me explain, my sister sick. And she's sick a good while, but we just never know what was happening with her. And she does so many tests. And them don't tell her what happened to her until like less than 3 months ago. If me go back and check the date, me not have the exact date. But it's less than 3 months. Then tell her. So she has stage 4 liver cancer. Me have to make sure so me keep checked on my body now because me not like have negative in my head. But sometimes, you know, you have to keep check on yourself. What causing these things, continue check up on yourself. And that's why I decide to share. I decide to share this video with everybody who love my sister. I love her now. I appreciate her now. I appreciate everything we wanna do. You know, I love my sister. I did my best see her. I did my best I could. Not that people don't know. But who know? The closest people them to her, which is our children them. That's all people need to know. The closest people them is our children them. Who know how much me love my sister and adore her. Me grew up with her. Out of all of my rest of my siblings them, she was the one when me grew up with. And we always love her. I miss her. I not cry right now. She drained me. But you know me have to be strong for our kids them. And for the girls them, especially because they are the young one. She has 7 kids, 5 boys and 2 girls. The 5 boys come first and then the 2 girls come last. 2 little baby, she gone left them. I have to be strong for them too, especially. So, I wish them was right here with me. Tell her forgive me them. But, you know, what me can get them. Yeah. Oh my God, she tell me to take them. Take them, my sister. If me not trust nobody to take care of them, not trust you to take care of them. So take them. So, I hope so me can get them. Or whatever me can do. It hurt me. Now go bed now. And come out, go get some fresh air. From yesterday me here, me there in the bed. Me no do nothing. Me no bed. Me no brush my teeth last night. With never happened. Me brush my teeth every day. So, may I talk to you? I need to go bed and brush my teeth now. So that's it. God have mercy. Why you have to lose the people them where you love so much? But alive. All I will never come here to stay. And but she was young. Janet just 50. January gone. And may her soul rest. You know. She gonna meet mommy. She decided to go left me before me even show up. You know? Oh my God. Alright, that's it. I hope that this answer everybody's question. I have a lot of message from you guys, but I can't manage the whole heap of texting now and the whole heap of calls. So I'm gonna bleed and clean up myself. Alright.